Welcome back to Serendipity's Kitchen. Have you ever felt intimidated to try and make an omelet? Well, today I'm going to show you just how simple it really is, and get ready to impress your friends and family. You really can use any variation of toppings. There's so many ideas out there, but today I will be using sautéed red onions, freshly grated cheddar cheese, and sausage. Crack 2 eggs in a small bowl and add about an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Whisk those together and then add about a 1/2 tablespoon of butter to a non-stick pan. I rarely use non-stick pans, but this is pretty essential when making an omelet. And then go ahead and pour the egg mixture into the pan. Once it starts to set, using your spatula, push the outer edges to the middle and then tilt your pan to fill up the empty spaces. Now to one side, you're going to add your cooked sausage, sautéed red onions, cheddar cheese, and I added a sprinkling of feta as well. And then using your spatula, you're going to flip the other half of the egg over the toppings. Flip your omelet over and then cook until both sides are just lightly browned. If your cheese doesn't fully melt, you can also put a lid on it whenever you take it off the heat. And that's it. That's truly how simple it is to make an omelet. Now you're ready to enjoy your delicious breakfast. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.